Guys, welcome back. Hey, I just got a quick video I'm going to make here on this thing. So if you got a 1986 Mondial and you have a maintenance light on that needs to be reset, I'll show you how to do that real quick. So when this car came in, I mean, we haven't done the service on it yet, but we did it anyway. The customer stated that he had the maintenance light on. So it would be this light right here, service due. So this light was on when he came in, and to reset that, you're going to have to turn the key on. All right, you would have to turn the key on, and then I'm not going to turn the key on because the fuel pump's going to be running, and it's kind of loud on this car. So you would turn the key on and come over here to the passenger side, all right? And then on this module right here, you're going to take this cap off here, and then you're going to see this little hole here. You're going to stick something down in there, and you're going to hear it click. That's how you reset the maintenance light on the Mondial, all right? So we're going to go ahead and put this back on. And that's how you do that real quick. And it should go out. Like I said, you may have to have the car on to reset the light. I think I did push it earlier with the car off and it didn't do anything. But with the car on, hold in for a second or so. You'll hear it click if it's working normal. And then that should reset that light. So just a quick note, if you're wanting to know how to do that, if you have one of these cars and you didn't know, I'm sure most owners now know how to reset those. But anyway, I thought I'd make a little bit of a note, and we'll be starting on this here real soon in the next days or so. I've got some parts coming from Fur Parts. They should be here sometime next week. And then once I receive those, we're really going to start tearing into this thing. We're going to take the wheels off and get access to the belts and some other stuff, change all the fluids and stuff. So I'll have videos and all this. So please stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And I'll see you then.